Good morning to one and all. Today we will see how to do digital logic and processor related subject virtual laboratory experimentation. To do this virtual laboratory experimentation in digital logic and processor subject we should have a tool called Logisim, so which will be enabled once you install Java in your system, and you can download directly Logisim tool from the Google and you can use it. This tool is very user friendly, and all the digital electronics related experiments you can perform. So as a basic, we will do a basic experiment of realization of logic functions. If you see the experiment, realization of logic functions, here the manual is given. In the manual, the aim, operators and theory and related information is given to do the experiment. So the aim is to study and verify the logic gates. We have different logic gates in the digital electronics. So we will verify the function of all those logic gates, and we will realize the operation of those logic gates using this Logisim tool. We will quickly go through the manual. So once you fix our aim, and next operators that are required if you want to do the experiment manually in the laboratory, some logic trainer kits are required, logic gates, ICs are integrated circuits are required, power supply is required, as well as wires are required. But now we are doing the experiment with Logisim tool, which we can do, which is a simulation tool which we can do by installing it in our system. So in the first experiment, we have to verify different logic gates functioning. So the first one is the AND gate. So the AND gate, we know very well that this AND gate is a logic multiplier. So that means whatever inputs that you are applying to this AND gate, so it will produce the product, logical product of the output. So the IC for the AND gate construction you can see here. So when integrated circuit is taken, so in an integrated circuit 4 AND gates will be there, and the IC for the AND gate consisting of total 14 pins. It consisting of total 14 pins, and out of 14 pins, 14 pin will go for the supply and 7th pin will go for the ground. So the IC number is 7408, and which can have that particular IC can hold 4 AND gates, and these AND gates are 2 input AND gates. To realize the function of this AND gate, so first we have to go to Logisim tool, open the Logisim tool. For this Logisim tool, special introduction is not required. Once you are familiar with digital circuits and once you know the theory and circuit, logical circuit, then construction of circuit and doing simulation in this tool is very easy. So here left side in this window, in this Logisim window, you can in this Logisim tool you can see 3 windows here. The first window consisting of all the modules. Here you can pick any module, any gate or any IC or any particular device you can pick, and here the properties window you can see below. So once you pick up any particular gate or any device, that device related information you can see here, the property window. In the property window you can see, and this window is the drawing window where you will place the components and do the interconnections and verify the simulation based operation of that particular circuit. So as a basic, first I am taking AND gate. So AND gate is taken, and the size of the AND gate is very low. So if you want to change, you can go to wide option. Now you can see the AND gate. So place the AND gate on any place in the virtual keyboard, virtual breadboard, and once you place it, then you have to give the inputs. This AND gate, if you select this AND gate, here you can see how many number of inputs are there. This AND gate is a 5 input AND gate. We don't now, for the experiment, for basic experiment we will take two input AND gate, because two inputs, that 7408 IC whatever we have taken for experimentation, that IC consisting of two input AND gates. So this AND gate is converted into two input AND gate and with one output. And on the top of this window, Logisim window, you can see input option as well as output option. So take the input option, square shape, so place it, and take another square for another input, place it, and simply make the connection from that input to AND gate input. You make the connection and take the output line and connect to the output indicator. So now the AND gate is ready for the verification, two inputs as well as one output. If you want to verify the function of this AND gate, you have to select this poke symbol, and now you can change the inputs here. Now the inputs are 0 0, so the output is 0. So the the truth table, you can see when inputs are 0 0, output is 0. When inputs are 0 1, output 0. When inputs are 1 0, output 0. When inputs are 1 1, output is 1. That means AND gate produces output 1 when all the inputs are 1. And the logical expression for the AND gate is, if you treat output as y, then y is equal to a dot b, product between a and b. And in this case, four combinations you can verify because two inputs are there. So out of these four combinations, if you verify these four combinations, you will get these outputs. We will verify this particular truth table with respect to this logic module that we connected here. Now inputs are 0 0, output is 0. Okay, we will accept 0 into 0, output 0. When one of the input, if you change to 1, so the first input is 0, second input is 1. In that case also output is 0. And if you apply first input 1 and second input 0, in that case also output 0. And when you apply 1 1, both inputs are 1. You can see here the output is, it is showing output 1. So that means the verification of a particular gate you can do very easily in this Logisim tool. Similarly, you can verify other gates also. You can take OR gate and change number of inputs to 2 and take two input connections. Take one output connection, connect the inputs to OR gate input and connect the OR gate output to the output indicator. Now apply the inputs. When input is 0 0, output is 0. So before that, just I will show the symbol of the OR gate. The symbol of the OR gate is like this, and the function of the OR gate is y is equal to a plus b. Output is equal to logical addition of inputs. If two inputs are there, four combinations we can apply, and the truth table is like this. That means in the OR gate, if both the inputs are 0, then only output will become 0. Otherwise, in all the other cases, the output is 1. This logical functioning of the OR gate we will verify. The truth table will be examined in the Logisim. Now we applied 0 0 as input, so output is 0. When I change any one of the input into 1, and automatically my output will become 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is also 1, and 1 plus 1 is also 1. So the OR gate verification also we have done. And similarly, you can verify NOT gate. So NOT gate consisting of only one input and only one output. Take input line wire, take output wire, connect input, connect output to the NOT gate. So NOT gate, coming to the NOT gate, 7404 is the IC we will use for NOT gate verification, operation verification, and NOT gate is a complementer. That means if input is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So now you can see here input is 0, so that's why output is 1. It is showing the complement value, inversion value. If you give input 1, the output will become 0. So this is the way of constructing the logical devices and here I have taken three gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and I have applied inputs and I have verified the outputs in these three cases. Like this we can verify the remaining gates like NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So all these gates we can place, and similarly we can apply the inputs and we can see the outputs. So this is a basic experiment, and this basic experiment we verified the logic function of the logic gates as well as the universal gates like NAND gate and NOR gate also we can do in the similar way, and similarly the special gates like XOR and XNOR also we can verify. So this is the basic experimentation of functional verification of logic gates.